Today, let me show you how to create custom stations inside of Pandora. You can either create your own custom station using a track, using an artist, using a composer, or even using a genre. So let me quickly show you an example. If you like a particular type of song or a genre that you're into, you can just head over to the moods and activities section. If you scroll down inside of the browse page, you can just head over to any type of genre that you're into and then click on the view stations option. Once you're inside of this, you're going to see further genres that are categorized. And inside of this as well, you can head over to a particular genre that you're interested in. And right here, you'll have the option called Start Station. This will be the exact song that you selected will be added to your collection. And once you're done that as well, you do have further options of starting a new station using the exact song or using the artist. So if you click on the three dotted line, you can either click on Start Station from artist or click on Start Station from song. So if you are into particular genres, you can choose the option of Start Station from song. This way, Pandora will start to play similar songs that you are interested in. You can hop into different other options as well or different other stations so that you can discover new songs that you may be interested in. So this is the exact way that you can create a custom station inside of Pandora. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.